Hello, here are some directions for you on your profile outline. So a profile is a written portrait of a person, a place, an event, an object, and we find these in like online, we find them in magazines, and they are presenting the subject in an entertaining way that should convey some significance, right? So something interesting about that person, you're taking this from an angle that is making them seem important, something exciting, something that is going to be an interesting angle. So remember, this needs to be a subject that you have a first-hand account with. So ask yourself, why are you writing this specific profile on this specific topic? What is your angle? What are you going to achieve by writing your topic from this angle? So make sure you're asking yourself, why do I find this topic interesting? And that will probably help you with your angle. Now, the tone of a of a profile essay is going to be a little different than other essays. It should still maintain that formal academic tone, but there's just a little bit of wiggle room, a little bit of flexibility. So you should still be avoiding second person direct audience. So the word you should not be in this essay. But there are certain situations in which you can use first person, the word I. But make sure that this paper is about your topic. This paper isn't about you. So the more times you use the word I in this paper, the more it draws attention to you, the author. So be really careful with that. This is not a just free-for-all for I think this, I interviewed this person, I find this interesting, da-da-da-da-da. So make sure that you're focusing on that. You're not writing your paper yet. Again, this is just your outline, but be thinking about that. Research. You do have to have a little bit of research for this. Now remember, this is a first-hand account, so your research could be something like, if you're doing an event, the event's website. It could be articles written about that event. It could be you interviewing somebody who was with you at that event as part of your research. If you're interviewing a person, your interview is part of that research. Journals, family histories, anything that you're finding that is a primary source, that is research. One of your sources needs to be from an academic database, such as the Utah Tech database. So be thinking about what other research you can bring into your topic that will make your paper have that much more depth to it. When you do write this essay, it'll be between 13 and 1,500 words, but this outline is going to be between 700 and 900 words. You do need to have a few quotes. Not all of your quotes, because you probably haven't conducted your interview yet if you're doing a person. But you should have about 4 quotes that shows that you've done some research. So that portion of this paper has been conducted already, that shows what you're going to be using as evidence to help your paper's credibility. So you're going to be very precise. You can use one of the 2 outlines from your Norton book. You can review those. I have given you a good example. Make sure you're using bullet points. You're just making sure everything is nicely organized. Again, make sure your research is cited, and you do need to have your reference page visible on this outline. If you have any questions, please let me know, because I am here to help you, and you are ready.